our flight kept getting pushed back.
Is it moving? It's moving.
Katie's up in the room taking care of the kids. They were a hot mess after the plane.
It is that kind of happy ending that you're thinking of.
All right, where are we headed?
To the airplane.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do this, dude. 2 kids under 2 with 2 sleep-deprived parents with 2 hours of sleep that went to bed at 2 a.m. in the morning through security. 2 times. 2 times. Tuesday.
Actually 4 times.
Woo! Are you ready, buddy? They just rode you right through the security just like that.
They said you just put him up here like this. You can go through the scanner.
They said, come on, Hoss, let's go. Quit playing with that thing like it's your ding-a-ling. She's gone.
Don't be crawling out of there.
I planned this morning so perfectly that we actually have an hour and 30 minutes before departure. I didn't really plan it. Our flight kept getting pushed back and back, and luckily that's a good thing because we were late AF.
Yeah, we were.
Look at all these losers. Wait, how long have I been here? Since like 5 o'clock this morning? I mean, look, y'all been camping out. Lord have mercy. Is that fun? Is that fun, turtle?
Okay, that sounds good. Brooks was asleep, but what happened?
He woke up.
He woke up. Hey, buddy, you gonna go back to sleep when we take off? Hopefully so, right? I get to sit by these 2 adorable little passengers right here, and Cullen decided to sit by himself. We got the JK Today folks back here.
Hey, oh.
Yay, almost.
If travel with children, anybody needs special assistance, put your mask on first and then. That's all it is. Those who sit back and relax, enjoy this quick 1 hour and 8 minute flight down to Orlando.
Are we flying?
Almost. Keep looking.
Not the airport. Is it moving? Why did we stop? Is it moving? Is it our turn?
Almost. Willis.
Are we flying?
Almost. Watch for the ground to disappear.
It's faster.
Orlando and Central Florida. Hello, this is Orlando Mayor Buddy Nye. Welcome to the City View.
We have made it off the trolley, off the Uber experience, and we're running into Alabamians over here. Y'all remember him? He was just in my kitchen a couple days ago. Legendary shots in the house. They've got a giant-sized Jenga here. Katie's up in the room taking care of the kids. They were a hot mess after the plane because we had so many delays, and they had to get a nap. We had to wait on a pack and play, but we also had to come down and get registered. So we are registered, ready to go. It is the first day of Playlist Live getting kicked off here in the hospitality lounge. Kiddos are loving it. Everybody's loving it. They got a ping pong table this year, and they have a basketball goal over here, and foosball table, and then of course the signature Jenga. No! Well, is that a happy man on your shirt, or are you just happy to see me?
I think it's a little bit of both.
Golly, last time we were in one of these rooms that had this wall color, Jared was on the floor doing the worm. But y'all go check it out later.
Oh my gosh.
It reminds me of that. But if y'all want to see the happy ending to their vlog, go check it out.
It is that kind of happy ending that you're thinking of.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle,
Happy
wiggle.
little trees, happy little aliens.
Oh, we had a little accident, no worries. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. Go check out their vlog. We're gotta meet up tomorrow. Yeah, I'm not gonna, y'all already said all that. Oh my god.
It's a different video. You're making them nervous.
Switch this and reverse it. And
Take
catch
that,
you
rewind it back.
on the flip side. Bye.
CYOTPS, bye!
Never gonna, oh, I just picked your nose. I'm sorry. Gosh. Oh my gosh. Adios, bye.
I have been running around like a crazy person.
Why? Why did we do this to ourselves? I think I need to go pack or something. I can't believe we're having to go through all this again.